Hey everyone, it's Teresa from This Girl's Vinyl Shop. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to use our builder to build your gang sheet for custom prints. Let's get started. First, you're going to select the desired print. You're going to click on it, and on the drop-down menu, you will select builder. Once you are on the product page, you will have to select the size of sheet you would like, and then you can click on build your own gang sheet. After that, you will be brought to the builder where you will select start a brand new gang sheet. This is your canvas. On here, you will be able to add your images. For your images, you will want them to be in PNG format. Do not use SVGs. You will want your PNGs to be in at least 300 dpi with a transparent background. To get your images, you will want to go to upload your images. With the builder, you can select however many images you would like. You are not restricted to only one image or size. Go ahead and select your images and click open. Your images will upload one by one. Once they are uploaded, you can select the image and you will see that it is added to your canvas automatically. Once on the canvas, this box will pop up and here you can change the size. You want to pay attention to your sizing. If you change the width, the height will also adjust automatically and vice versa. Make sure you are sizing your garment or surface where you are applying your image and size accordingly. Once your prints are submitted, we cannot resize. They will be printed how you upload them. You can add as many images as you would like in any size that you need. You can click duplicate if you need various copies in the same sizing by just simply clicking on duplicate. When building your gang sheet, make sure your images are not touching the edges as they will be cut off in printing. You want to give yourself a little bit of space. Not a lot is needed. Just a little bit off of the edges so that nothing is cut off. This legend right here is to tell you the quality of your images. Make sure you're paying attention to that as well. If your images need to be adjusted, do that before submitting your prints. If your images are overlapping, you will get a notification. It is okay if your boxes are touching if the images are not. Once you are done adding and adjusting your images on your gang sheet, you can click on Save and Add to Cart. You will get a confirmation box that you will have to acknowledge and click on the box before you exit and pay. You have now built your custom gang sheet. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.